Hey, it's Coach M here. If you've been feeling like your teen is shutting you out, you're not alone. You ask them how their day was and all you get is a one-word answer. You know there's more going on beneath the surface, but it feels like they're keeping you at a distance. If you're feeling this way, then lean into this video because I've got the tool that can help break down those emotional walls and get your teen talking again. Coming up. If you haven't already done so, if you can do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, like button, and leave a comment, that would be great. I'm on a mission to spread these tools on this channel out to as many people as possible. And as you know, the more interaction this video gets, the more YouTube's algorithm will make the video accessible to everyone. So help me to help others by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Thank you. Okay, let's be honest. Getting your teen to open up can sometimes feel like an impossible task. You want to connect, but every time you try to start a conversation, it feels like you're hitting a brick wall. The problem isn't that your teen doesn't want to talk. It's that they don't feel understood. When they sense that you're not fully engaged or that you're ready to jump in with advice before really understanding their feelings, they'll shut down on you. And that's when the distance between you grows even more. It's frustrating for both of you, and it can leave you feeling helpless. So how do you turn things around? The key is empathic listening. Now, you've probably heard about the importance of listening before, but empathic listening takes it to a whole other level. It's not just about hearing the words your teen is saying, it's about truly understanding the emotions behind their words. Empathic listening means giving your full, undivided attention to your teen, focusing on their feelings and making them feel seen and heard. No interruptions, no quick fixes, and definitely no distractions. It's about connecting with them emotionally and showing that you genuinely care about what they're experiencing. Let's break down how you can start practicing empathic listening in your daily interactions with your teenager. Number one, put yourself in their shoes. When your teen shares something with you, take a moment to really imagine how they might be feeling. Reflect those feelings back to them. For example, if they talk about a tough day at school, you might say, "That must have been really stressful for you." This shows that you're not just listening, you're trying to fully understand their emotional experience. Number two, this is a big one, avoid giving immediate solutions. It's natural to want to jump in and solve problems for our teens, but they don't need or want our solutions. They just need to be heard. So instead of offering advice, try saying something like, "I'm here to listen. Tell me more about what happened." This invites them to share more without feeling judged or rushed in the conversation. Number three, validate their emotions. Really important. One of the most important aspects of empathic listening is validating your teen's feelings. Let them know that what they're feeling is okay and that you understand why they feel that way. For example, you might say, "I can see why that would make you so upset." Validation helps your teen feel supported and encourages them to keep the lines of communication open. So why is empathic listening so important? Because it builds trust. Trust that's crucial for any strong relationship, especially with your teenager. When they feel truly understood and valued, they're more likely to open up and share what's really going on in their world. Over time, this can transform your relationship, turning those one-word answers into actual deep, meaningful conversations. And trust me, that connection is exactly what you want, and it's something that both you and your teenager will cherish. If you want to dive deeper into how to connect with your teen and get them to really listen to you, I've got something special for you. I'm offering a free training on the 3 secrets to actually get your teen to listen to you. In this training, I'll walk you through the exact strategies I've used with countless parents to transform their relationship with their teens. So don't wait. Click the link below to register for the training. And let's start turning those tough parenting moments into opportunities of growth and connection. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with anyone that you think may benefit from it. And if you want to see more videos like this one, where I give you the tools and strategies to navigate the teen years, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you in the next video.